And the 45-day Mahakumbh, one of the world's largest religious gatherings, has finally ended today on Mahashivratri. Let's go across to my colleague Vasudha, who's been there the last 2 days. Vasudha, you've got to meet a whole, gamut of people from all parts of the country, and it's been quite the last 2 days that we've seen a big surge in devotees as well.
Absolutely, Gargi. Unprecedented crowds at Mahakumbh 2025. Almost 65 crore people. Not a very difficult challenge for, of course, anybody out there. And of course, let me get you some voices here. Today is Shivratri, and if there's one sense of sentiment that I have to describe the people today, it is a sense of urgency, but also a sense of satisfaction that they finally made it to Kumbh and took that dip. With me is Mr. Mehrotra and his wife. Jayashree is a teacher, while Mr. Mehrotra is a businessman. They are from Prayagraj. आप दोनों प्रयागराज से हैं. मैम, आप टीचर हैं. ये बताइए कि प्रयागराज वासी होने के नाते क्या दिक्कत हुई थी? आप महाकुंभ को कैसे देखते हैं?
जाम तो बहुत था, मतलब ट्रैफिक जाम के कारण प्रॉब्लम तो हुई थी, लेकिन हम लोग उसको माइंड नहीं किए. इतना बड़ा संयोग है, इतने देश के लोग, पूरे विश्व के लोग आ रहे हैं, तो ये हम लोग के देश के, मतलब हमारे शहर के लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है. हम बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे.
प्रयागराज जिस तरह बदला है सर, आपको लग रहा है कि इससे महाकुंभ से प्रयागराज को बेनिफिट होगा?
बहुत ज़्यादा. अभी तो प्रयागराज में अभी तो कुंभ की भीड़ है, बट यहाँ पर जितने भी लोग हैं बहुत खुश है. यहाँ पे हम लोग को बहुत गर्व महसूस होता है कि हम लोग प्रयागराज में रहते हैं, और इसी की वजह से यहाँ विकास भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है, क्योंकि सारे विश्व के लोग अब प्रयागराज को जानने लगे हैं.
And there's also a couple that has come with a very young child. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत ही सुंदर था.
और आपका एक्सपीरियंस एज अ मदर बच्चे के साथ कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा था. थोड़ी सी दिक्कत थी, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आपको लगता है क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है?
नहीं, देखिए, प्रशासन तो बहुत कुछ कर रही है हमारे लिए. अगर हम भी चाहते तो उनका सहयोग कर सकते तो ये और अच्छा हो सकता है, लेकिन हम उनका सहयोग नहीं कर रहे. सिर्फ टॉयलेट कितने गंदे हैं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हम सहयोग कर नहीं रहे. कपड़ा बदलने वाली जो जगह है वो भी हम सहयोग नहीं कर रहे. वहाँ पे कितनी गंदगी, अगर हम भी सहयोग करें तो ये और अच्छा हो सकता है.
तो आपको लगता है कि लोगों में भी एक सिविक सेंस आना चाहिए?
लोगों में भी थोड़ा सा वो रखना चाहिए कि हाँ, अगर हमारे लिए कोई इतना कर रहा है तो हमें भी इस चीज़ को करना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
बाकी बहुत अच्छा था, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था.
राइट. ऑल्सो विथ मी इज़ अ स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी. आप इलाहाबाद यूनिवर्सिटी के हैं और आप गाने भी लिखते हैं, तो आपने कुंभ पे भी कुछ लिखा है?
4 लाइन आपको सुना देना चाहता हूँ. स्वयं का रच देना है. गंगा जी के घाट देखे संगम स्नानवा, गंगा जी के घाट देखे संगम स्नानवा, ऐसे बुझाला जैसे राग देशवा, घाटवा बुझाला ऐसे जैसे मंदाकिनी सजौले बाड़े, घाटवा बुझाला ऐसे जैसे मंदाकिनी सजौले बाड़े, योगी जी बड़ी फुर्सत से प्रशासन सजौले बाड़े, योगी जी बड़ी फुर्सत से प्रशासन सजौले बाड़े.
Thank you so much. So people here are expressing their emotions in different ways. Also, there's a man here who's written a song. And Kagi, a lot of people here have found not just, have found answers to questions they were looking for. A large number of youngsters have come there. They've also led their parents to Sangam. So clearly, there is a churn in this country. And I feel people are also re-navigating the way they look at religion and faith. Many of them are also questioning, but they're also finding themselves closer to faith and religion. I spoke to people earlier in the day, people from different walks of life. Let's listen into some of those important voices that came out from Mahakumbh 2025. Mahakumbh 2025 has also drawn tourists and pilgrims and curious travelers from across the world. With me is a group of travelers from Italy. Ma'am, how many people are part of that group? And tell us, how was your experience like?
Our experience was incredible because this is not our first time in India, but this place, and we went also to Varanasi, was really impressive. And we were here at dawn and during the sunset, and it was, people also are really, really nice.
Tell us, what did you buy from India? How was your experience like?
No, this time I didn't buy a lot. I have to start buying because we are continuing our journey. We are going to Kashuhao, to Mathura, to Agra, Taj Mahal, and finally to Jaipur. So we are ready to buy some local products.
And with me is Nitish Barate, somebody who is from Pune, who is an athlete and someone who's taken part in national and international bodybuilding competitions. Okay, Nitish, what made you come to Kumbh, and are you a religious person or was this a one-time visit?
No, I am a very religious person, or I guess I am very grateful to come over here and see this devotional things over here, and I'm very grateful. I'm very blessed. Very good opportunity for the people who believe in Hinduism.
So what about Hinduism inspires you? Because you're an athlete, you've also taken part in a lot of bodybuilding competitions. What about Hinduism inspires you? Where do you think religion gives you that healing spirit?
See, actually, basically, if we see our previous ancestors, devotees, and Lord Ram, actually they inspire us a lot how to be a good human being and how to respect people